Hello guys, welcome to this video. This video is about variables in Python. So I have created a file named variables.py. So let's see what are variables. I'll write the code. Let's say a equal to 5. So here a is the variable. You can see I'm just putting the cursor on a and it is showing as variable a. So a is a variable and equal to 5 is the value. So basically what variable is, the variable stores the values in a container. So what is a container here? A is the container. So A is storing the values. That might be any value. It might be a numerical value or it might be a string. Let's see one by one. First we will start with the numerical values. So I'm storing 5 in A. So let's print this. So I'm printing A. If I print A and if I run it, see here, it is printing 5. So A is storing the number 5. So if I give 100, so A will print it as 100. Okay. So not only one values, we can store multiple values like A comma B comma C. Suppose I'm giving 3 variables here, A, B, C. If I run it, it will throw me an error because you are giving only a single value here. But here there are 3 variables. So you need to give 2 more values. Suppose I will give it as 12 or 14. Yeah. Now if I print A, yeah, now print A, B and C. If I print all these things, it will print 100, 12 and 14. See here, you can see the values here. Let's try within within a single line of code, can we print all those 3? Let's see that. I think it will throw an error. I think let's try this. Oh, it is yeah, we can print like that also. So here we can print in a sequence type like this, A comma B comma C. You will get the output as 100, 12 and 14. Okay, this is how you do. This is how variables are in Python. So what else you can do in variables? So let's say I'll remove this. So let's say A equal to B equal to C equal to 100. So if I print 3 of them, what will be the output? Let's see here. 3 of them will be 100 because A is 100 and B is also 100 and B and C is also 100. So in that fashion, A, B, C is 100. So you will be getting 3 times 100. Okay, this is what variables are, and not only numerical values or integer values, you can also store strings in a variable. Let's see. Suppose if I'm giving a user underscore name equal to Hari sir. Okay. So if I print user underscore name, which is a variable, and Haricharan is a string. So if I print it, it will print that Haricharan. See here. So this is how you perform what do you say, strings and integers in variables. So this is how you can store them in a container. Container is nothing but it is a variable where you store values, right? Okay, next Next, what else you can do? Let's see another example. A equal to 100, not A. We'll take something as D equal to 100 and E equal to 150. So I want to add these two values. How you can add? You can add in this fashion, D plus E. So let's see, let's run this. You can add like this. You'll get the result like this. The answer is 250. So it is adding the variable D and the variable A, which is storing the values 100 and which is storing the value 150. So it is adding both the values. So we'll be getting the output as 250. So this is one method. Another method how you can do is let's edit this. Okay, 150. So here instead of directly printing it, we are giving it another variable called f. F equal to e plus e. So what you are doing is you are giving these two variables to another variable. Okay. What is a variable here? D, and here it is e. So I am giving d plus e to a variable called f. So if I want to print this, what you will print? It will we have to print f. Let's see the output now. See, again it is giving the output as 250. So this in this fashion you can also do this. So this is how variables work in Python. Yeah, this is what variables are in Python. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.